Guys, this is legend. Look at this. Just look at this. Look at that. I'm telling you, this is the way how to trade. It's a swing trade, trade with SQQQ and TQQQ just as you start. You can break off and use other stocks for your bull runs, but you can use SQQQ on your downfalls when the market goes down. When the market goes up, you can use TQQQ. Look at that. 17% today. $1,800 out of one of my accounts. Now we're getting into the power hour. This is 10 minutes before the market closes. The reason why it's called power hour, because the market the volume. A lot of people are trying to place trades before it closes. You get a lot of volume. The VIX will usually go crazy. Um, but you also need to check on what stocks are doing and how they're performing, before the markets close. And to kind of give you a definition of how tomorrow is going to go also. You know, look at Bitcoin, it's doing good. But the thing is, like I said, it runs next to the NAS, right? You know, Here, let me go ahead and buff out a little bit if I can. Like, see, we're still kind of low and there's room to go up, you know, and we still have this gap we have to hit right here. Now, this ain't all the gaps, this is just one to show you. So I didn't want to put a lot of lines, on the screen to confuse you. But, we still have this gap to hit. We could go there tomorrow or the next day, but eventually we will. But like I said, today when we first started, I was talking about how the CPI data came out, and usually we can have this bounce. Well, like I said, as you watch your stocks, you'll start to see how they bounce, and you can start placing, trades like that. And today it was awesome. I saw this bounce, and the thing is, when it bounces, that doesn't mean just go all in and hope for the best. No, I didn't place my trade until we broke for the second up. The like usually sometimes, you know, when you're trading SQQQ and TQQQ, it'll break up, you'll get a small little bounce, and then you'll just get another boom, hit. You can't be greedy. You have to get, a certain sign to say, hey, this is going to hold. And that's how you can be different than most people. Apple, same layout. Tesla, same layout. Amazon, same layout. That's what other YouTubers won't show you. That's why I made this channel. You know, I wanted to show you this. I didn't even notice that other stocks went the same until like 2 years when I was just on the computer and it hit me in the face. I was like, how have I not seen this? And then I started noticing that these big stocks, if you want to know all the stocks, go to QQQQ, like on Robinhood, it'll tell you all the stocks. All these big stocks, they control, the NAS. And that's why you have to have these booked. And you need to like see how they're doing, you know. Like look at Microsoft, like my God, it hasn't stopped. But on the power hour, I just wanted to show you that um, we can usually get a good push up. Like see how it's pushing up right here? When it pushes up like that, some days you can have this spike up to here. Sometimes they can jump 100 points, but you can also tell how tomorrow is going to go. If this starts to drop, that means people are selling. If people are selling, they're taking their profit and running, or they just don't have faith in this market. And right now, you need everything, just everything possible that can show you a sign. The VIX, we are still hitting highs on the VIX. We can come down. Hopefully, we can start coming down. I would love for this market to recover. The dollar, honestly, it didn't even go down that much today. You know, like it went from, yeah, it didn't even go down that much. There's still a lot of room for it to come down. See, the problem is it's halfway. So, there's still a chance for it to go up. And if this goes up, the market will come down. If this comes down like how it did right here, you know, you know, this can give the market some relief rallies, and maybe we can get a bull run. But thanks for watching the series. Just a quick advice: always watch your last 10 minutes of your, of the NAS or the QQQ. Um, Thanks for watching, guys. I put a lot of time into these episodes. If you guys can sub and like and help us out, Dad, that'd be great. Thanks, guys.